Here. Can't see it, but there's a branch on the other side hanging in the wires. Damn kids grabbing up the window. Can't see shit. Bastard don't want to focus. Yeah.
So they're cutting on it, huh?
I have no clue. Oh, dude. He's gonna go up. Yep, strap yourself in. You might fly out with that wind. Sucks to be you right now. But
If you have coffee, you go offer them. I bet you they'd love to have a cup of coffee.
I bet he gets paid good money for that. Ooh, chainsaw. No, I don't think I want to go out there. I see that dude's breathing.
What's that?
I can see his breath. I sure in the hell don't want to go out there.
No, but I'm just saying.
I hear a chainsaw.
What?
Said I hear a chainsaw. Just don't cut the wire. Damn trees, you can't see. But they'll cut it and leave it lay. That's what they do anyway. That's their job. Should go tell them just to whack up top of the tree. See what's the trouble.
What time is it?
I have no idea. Chainsaw.
God, I hope they get this fixed, because I'll tell you what, damn kerosene fumes. Hey, Kenny Blues up, good wood.
No, it ain't.
I know it.
There's part of it.
It must be a huge fucking branch.
Looks like they just dropped a dead body out of the tree.
Out tree or out of the power lines?
Both. Either or. You can't see what they're cutting on.
Are they up in the yard?
No.
As far as I'm concerned, they can cut as much of that fucking tree down as they want because it's causing power to go out.
Nope, there's another dead body. Wait, thumped to the ground.
If it's dressed up, go tell them to make sure that fucking line between the house and the power lines goes through. That runs right through the goddamn trees also.
Says Christ.
What?
Put that pieces together, we could have our Christmas tree. Hell, we could probably use the top of that for a tree. Maybe that's why it happened.
The top of the tree fell out?
Why the fuck are you vibrating? I ain't moving. Duh, pay attention, dummy. Don't jump, it ain't worth it. Well, we'll see if we have power when the rest of the town does.
What's that?
Wonder if they'll come up to the door.
No. They just, it's kind of like grasshoppers. They come, they eat, they leave. They come, they do their job, they leave. Now put your spikies on and climb the pole. Yeah, the main road's that way. Hello, Mr. Spotlight, please shut it off.
What now? They're all focused up here at our house, huh?
Look at the pretty flashing lights. It's more entertaining to see them leave than it is show up. Aliens.
What?
They're gone in the dark.
Huh?
Oh, there's a fucking button. Button. Who's got the button?